going today out there in YouTube land? It is a beautiful muddy day here in Wisconsin. It feels like spring. It is gorgeous outside. So today we're going to be doing a pretty easy little project here. I got some parts in the mail. Woohoo! Love parts in the mail. We're going to be taking apart or working on this John Deere 318, y'all. This is an amazing little tractor I picked up last summer. I got a brother of it. I got a 317 I'll be working on too. But today we're going to show you how to replace the fuel pump. So we're replacing the fuel pump, and I got some of these new upgraded fuses and fuse holders. It's had the round fuse in here, right down in here, and it was pretty junky. So we're going to be replacing this whole little fuse block before we can put upgraded fuses in it. First, we got to take this panel off because the fuel pump is right down here. I don't know if you guys can see it, if there's enough light. Let me move my arm. But it's right down here on the side of the motor. So we're going to just take off this panel on the side, and cut this fuse out and get it done. So let's get to work. Nice. It works. It does the job. See, very easy replacement. Now we are going to go ahead and take care of this fuse box. The one that is in here, if you can see, it's got electrical tape on it. It's pretty junky and old. So we're going to cut the wires here, and then we're going to replace it with one of these nice brand new mini fuse square fuses. So I will install that, show you what it looks like, and then we will go on a test ride. So we went ahead and reinstalled the panel after installing the new fuel pump. We went down in here and we just cut the old fuse block out. We got this nice little waterproof mini newer upgraded fuse. So let's see what we get. Shut the hood on this guy. Let's go down here and turn the key. Wow, everything looks like it's functioning supposed to. So let's go and take it on a little ride. I don't know about you guys, but I love the sound of these old John Deere tractors. It is just a beast of a machine. Man, she rides nice too. All right, what happened here? Another fuse problem. See, right in this older fuse block. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that one now. Alright, so after replacing that fuse block, we are back on our test drive. I know some of you have seen the Flippin' Mike property before, over here at Flip Mike Farm, but we're just gonna go on a quick little haul around. Stuck. Oh man, the little girl didn't like that. Try it again. Machine, if you ask me. So, hopefully you guys like this video. Please leave me a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe. That's it for today on the Flippin' Mike Show. The next thing we gotta do this bad boy is pull the lawn deck out for it and attach that and get it ready for summer use. There's a lot of other vehicles I need to get pulled out and get ready for summer, because it's about that time people are gonna want to get their riding lawnmowers ready. Thank you for watching. I'm Flippin' Mike. Until the next video, have a good one. Stay country. Yee!
Perfect.